hitting that season where the warm-up really warms up the inside of the car, warms up the house.
Yeah, use some air conditioning a little bit in the car too. And today was not particularly sunny in a lot of cases, but we still got there, which is a sign of an air mass that can get that temperature down. We'll see more of that into next week too. A couple showers and storms out there in the Bangor area, Skowhegan as well, but they're starting to dwindle pretty rapidly, and they were never as heavy as what we saw yesterday afternoon, where we had quite a few into the mountains. A lot of spots today were cloudy all day, and then we just ripped the clouds open at the end here, and luckily, because of the time of the year it is, we could actually see the sun, and we got several hours of sunshine into the mid-coast down East Maine, and just about southern coastal Maine. It's going to be tight there as we're still dealing with some low-level cloudiness. Got to 67 despite the clouds in Portland today, 75 in Bangor with some showers obviously around throughout the afternoon hours. 71 in Bar Harbor, that's not bad. Take 71 in Bar Harbor in July sometimes because of the proximity there to the water, obviously. Hour-by-hour forecast tonight, we drop down to the 50s. It's another relatively mild night, and tomorrow is a mixture of sun and clouds with a really strong onshore flow, and so that's going to mean that the coast will be significantly cooler than inland. In some cases, we're talking over 10 degrees here in the afternoon, where we could be bumped down to the upper 50s along the coast into the mid 70s still inland. You'll notice an isolated sprinkle out there. I don't think there are many of them. I didn't put it in the 7-day forecast because I think there are so few of those showers around. And then we're going to talk about the weekend forecast, which has been a real bear because it's gone from rainy looking on Monday to good looking on Tuesday and Wednesday. And now there's just enough moisture here on Saturday that I have to reintroduce a chance for a shower on Saturday. It is not a rainy day, but there's just too much dynamics and moisture back here for me to ignore it. So I think over western Maine especially, and in New Hampshire, there's a shower chance on Saturday afternoon into Saturday night. And then we should be in good shape on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. By far the best stretch of weather we've had this season so far, with a good deal of sunshine, but most importantly, the temperatures are really ramping up. In some cases, we'll be able to get into the 80s. I think Tuesday and or Wednesday will be an 80-plus day away from the coastline. We might be able to get some mid-80s out of that too, and that's legitimately hot. Yeah, hot, I'd say. Even with a low dew point, it's pretty hot. So that's a nice stretch. Again, the weekend is not bad. It bummed me out to have to put that shower chance back in on Saturday, but it bummed me out more if I didn't have it in there and it rained. So that's just how it goes. Sun and clouds on Sunday into the mid-60s, and again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday looking good. Some showers Thursday, but we at least get those first 3 days in next week.
Looking good.
Really nice.
All right, Keith, thank you.